I'm Greg Silkman with the University of Missouri, Kansas City. I manage the design and construction projects throughout the campus. One of the biggest changes that MySmartPlans brought to our campus was our policy used to be that we issued plans and specs in paper form to everybody. And we were held then responsible to make sure that every vendor and bidder got a set of plans and specs, and then we had to make sure that they got the addenda for every project that they were bidding. With MySmartPlans, it takes care of all that for us. So they maintain the current set, make sure that everybody has that. It's pushed out to everybody who signs up, and we no longer have to manage that. What I like best is that I have so much less to manage. So, before we started using MySmartPlans, it was a lot of documents coming in via email or in paper that I would then have to do something with. So now it all just gets sent to you guys and electronically, and you guys post it. We develop standards, and you follow those standards and put it where it's supposed to be, and I don't have all those things crossing my desk or loading up my email. What I love most about it, though, is the closeout dashboard. Just because it lives on past the life of the project. So our maintenance people can continue to use it throughout the life of the building. My favorite feature is how you guys can link all the cross sections, balloons, PRs, ASIs, change orders, and how you link things together. When we're looking for a certain detail, just anybody in the industry, you start with the main page, that main floor plan. Then there's just through a series of cross sections and details, it sends you to different pages and different details. With this, you just click on it and it takes you to that next detail. So saves so much time, and it's so easy to get back and forth, back from that detail back to the main page. So that's my favorite feature. But the weather button just comes in so handy in so many different areas, from concrete that's failing and you wonder why it's failing, and you can go back quickly and find out what the weather was like the day they poured it, to claims that a contractor wants a delay day for something that typically happened 6 months ago, and it's hard to recall what happened on that day, but you can go back to the weather button and find it. Why I recommend MySmartPlans to everyone else, and really to anybody that I talk to in our field, is I feel, there's a manifesto out there that the owners have done, Shelley and Dominic have written, and living through construction hell or getting out of construction hell. And I really feel like we were in construction hell prior to getting MySmartPlans. And it, as I talked about earlier, with all the emails and all the rolls of drawings that I had in my office for the 15 to 20 projects we had going at any given time, and different size projects, all those papers, all those rolls of drawings, all those emails that came through, we had to manage, we had to do something with. And if there were 20 people on that design committee, all 20 had the same emails, same papers, same rolled up drawings that they had to do something with. Now we all just can use MySmartPlans. It's all in one place. I don't have rolls of drawings in my office anymore. I think prior to MySmartPlans, I didn't know I was in such need of something like this. I think that architects and engineers have softwares that help them do business. I think contractors have softwares that help them do business and help them succeed. Owners have software, but they don't have a software like this. And for us, I think we need something like this to help get us out of the construction hell. But then also, I think it goes on into maintenance. And that's where I think the closeout dashboard comes in so handy throughout the life of the building. And I don't think technology has caught up with your program yet, but when it does, it's going to open these closeout dashboards up for maintenance people to access throughout the life of the building, all across the campus, wherever they happen to be at that time.